Connect JBL Boombox 4 into your TV. First of all, you will have to go to your TV. Yeah, turn it on and now go to the settings. In this case, I'm using LG TV, so the menu may look a little bit different, depends of your TV model. Now you have to search for connection settings or sound settings. In my case, in the LG TV, I have to open sound settings and I have to go into the external Bluetooth device. Take a look, it's Bluetooth over here. So I have to go into the devices list. And now as you can see, we got available devices list. So we have to go to our speaker and turn on pairing. So simply we have to click on the power key to turn it on. And after the speaker turn on, we have to click on the Bluetooth pairing button to activate the pairing mode. Now when this icon is blinking and when you are hearing that beeping sound, it means that we are in the pairing mode. Now as you can see, it appears in the available devices list. So we have to select JBL Boombox 4 and wait until we will be connected. And here we are. As you can see, I'm currently successfully connected, and that's basically everything.